Hello, students. Today, we will be learning about words related to art. We will explore different types of art, the tools artists use, places where art is created and displayed, and the people who make and care for works of art. Let's begin. Types of art forms. Abstract art. A style of art that uses shapes, colors, and lines instead of realistic images. Calligraphy. The art of beautiful handwriting and decorative lettering. Ceramics. The art of making objects from clay and hardening them by heat. Collage. A piece of art made by sticking different materials, such as paper, fabric, or photographs, onto a surface. Engraving. The art of carving designs or words into metal, wood, glass, or stone. Etching. A method of creating designs by using acid or special tools to cut into a metal surface. Glaze. A shiny coating applied to pottery or ceramics before firing. Graffiti. Art or writing drawn or painted on walls or other public surfaces. Illustration. A drawing or picture created to explain or decorate a book, story, or article. Fresco. A painting made on freshly applied wet plaster, usually on walls or ceilings. Landscape. A painting or drawing that shows natural scenery, such as mountains, rivers, or forests. Mosaic. A picture or pattern made by arranging small pieces of colored glass, stone, or tiles. Mural. A large painting created directly on a wall or ceiling. Printing. The process of producing images or designs from a prepared surface onto paper or another material. Pottery. The art of making objects such as bowls, cups, and pots from clay. Portrait. A painting, drawing, or photograph of a person. Photography. The art of taking pictures with a camera. Sculpture. The art of creating three-dimensional objects by carving, modeling, or casting materials. Watercolor. A type of painting made with water-based paints. Tools used in art canvas. A strong fabric used as a surface for painting. Chalk. A soft material used for drawing and writing. Charcoal. A black drawing material made from burnt wood. Clay. A soft natural material used for making pottery and sculptures. Color pencils. Colored pencils used for drawing and coloring. Crayons. Wax-based sticks used for coloring and drawing. Eraser. A tool used to remove pencil marks. Ink. A colored liquid used for writing, drawing, or printing. Marble. A hard stone often used for making sculptures. Oil paint. A type of paint made by mixing pigments with oil. Paint. A colored liquid used to create pictures and designs. Paintbrush. A tool used to apply paint to a surface. Palette. A flatboard or tray used for mixing paints. Paper. A material commonly used for drawing, painting, and writing. Pen. A writing or drawing instrument that uses ink. Pencil. A writing and drawing tool made with graphite. Photograph. A picture taken with a camera. Poster. A large printed or illustrated notice used for decoration or advertising. Quill. A traditional writing tool made from a bird's feather. Stone. A hard natural material used in sculpture. Wax. A material used in drawing, modeling, and making crayons. Wood. A natural material commonly used for carving and sculpture. Places related to art. Art gallery. A place where works of art are displayed for people to view. Church. A place where religious art, paintings, sculptures, and stained glass windows are often displayed. Garden. An outdoor space where sculptures and artistic designs may be displayed. Museum. A place where works of art, historical objects, and cultural treasures are exhibited. Studio. A place where artists create paintings, sculptures, drawings, and other artworks. People in art collector. A person who buys and collects works of art. Art historian. A person who studies the history and development of art. Art restorer. A specialist who repairs and preserves damaged works of art. Calligrapher. A person who practices the art of beautiful handwriting. Cartoonist. An artist who creates cartoons and comic illustrations. Sculptor. an artist who creates sculptures from materials such as clay, wood, stone, or metal. Conclusion. Today, we learned about different types of art, the tools artists use, places where art can be created and displayed, and the people who make, study, collect, and preserve works of art. Thank you for learning with us today. See you in our next art class.